Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Remote IT support refers to the practice of providing technical assistance and troubleshooting services to users and organizations from a remote location. Instead of having an IT technician physically present at the site, remote support relies on various communication technologies such as phone calls, video conferencing, screen sharing, and remote access tools. When users encounter IT-related issues or require assistance, they can contact the remote support team, who will remotely connect to their computer or device to diagnose and resolve the problem. This approach offers several advantages. Firstly, it allows for quick response times, as technicians can address issues without the need for travel, minimizing downtime and productivity loss. Secondly, remote IT support is cost-effective as it reduces the need for on-site visits and associated expenses. Additionally, it enables support teams to assist users regardless of their location, making it particularly valuable for organizations with multiple branches or a geographically dispersed workforce. However, certain issues that require physical presence or hardware repair may still necessitate on-site support. Overall, remote IT support streamlines the troubleshooting process, enhances efficiency, and provides timely assistance to keep businesses running smoothly. Making money from remote IT support can be a lucrative venture if you approach it strategically and offer valuable services to your clients. Here are some steps to help you succeed in this business. Specialize and build expertise. Identify a niche or specific area within IT support where you can excel and stand out from the competition. Specializing in certain software, operating systems, or industries can help you attract specific clients with unique needs. Offer various support plans. Create different service packages with tiered pricing to cater to a diverse range of clients. Some may require ad hoc support, while others might benefit from monthly or yearly subscription plans. Consider offering different levels of support based on response time, hours of coverage, and service offerings. Market your services. Utilize online platforms and social media to promote your remote IT support services. Create a professional website that showcases your expertise, services, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Engage in targeted online advertising to reach potential customers. Provide excellent customer service. In the remote IT support business, customer satisfaction is paramount. Be responsive, friendly, and reliable in your communications. Strive to resolve issues promptly and effectively to build trust and long-term relationships with your clients. Utilize remote access tools. Invest in secure and reliable remote access software that allows you to troubleshoot and resolve issues efficiently. This will enable you to provide real-time support without the need for on-site visits, saving time and expenses. Leverage referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to refer your services to others. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be a powerful tool to expand your client base. Stay updated. The IT industry evolves rapidly, and new technologies and solutions emerge constantly. Stay informed about the latest trends and certifications to enhance your skills and credibility as an IT support provider. Consider managed services. Offer proactive IT management services, such as monitoring and maintenance, which can provide stable recurring revenue and prevent issues before they become major problems for your clients. Collaborate with businesses. Partner with other businesses, such as managed service providers, software companies, or hardware vendors, to offer complementary services. This can expand your reach and attract more clients. Remember that building a successful remote IT support business may take time and effort, but by providing quality services and demonstrating your expertise, you can establish a reputable brand that attracts a loyal customer base and generates steady income. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.